Tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy NFL tickets or National Football League tickets here on the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the home screen in the bottom left or press on the magnifying glass beside it. Go to the search icon at the top and search for your NFL team. But if you go back to the home screen here, if I were to scroll down to where it says browse by category, I will press on view all. Where it says sports, I will press on view all once again, and to filter for NFL, it's the first option here in the top left area. Press on NFL. Now what it's going to do is actually show my location, but you can go to the top here and you can change the location to whatever you want. And you can also, the NFL schedule is not out at this moment in time, but you can play around with it. All the NFL tickets will be right here for you to buy through SeatGeek. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy NFL tickets on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.